We are pleased to show you the 2023 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.